There are many products available to choose best kitchen gadgets make everything easy, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read ton of reviews, and compiled a list from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Easy-to-use programmable digital controls, complete with an automatic keep warm mode after each cycle, an array of preset functions for every kind of meal. White rice, brown rice, steam, flash rice steam eat, vegetables, and more with the provided steam tray, all while rice cooks below perfectly prepares 2 to 8 cups of any variety of cooked rice or grains. Sensor logic technology for delicious, fluffy rice and grains every time. Automatically controls the internal temperature throughout the cooking cycle for optimal texture and flavor. Item holds up to 2 to 8 cups of cooked rice. 8 cups is the cooked rice capacity. Rice must be cooked in the cup that comes along with this product. Steams meat and vegetables while rice cooks below. Elevate your home cooking with the AROMA 8-cup cooked digital rice cooker and food steamer. Enjoy restaurant-quality rice, wholesome steamed meals, and mouth-watering one-pot creations, all at the push of a button. The included flash rice function is perfect for those moments when you need rice in a flash. With this function, your rice will be ready in no time, simplifying meal preparation. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, ensuring stress-free cooking and easy cleanup. The compact design accommodates 2 to 8 cups of any rice variety, with specialized settings for white and brown rice. Once your rice is perfectly cooked, the cooker automatically switches to keep warm, eliminating the need for constant monitoring or stirring. The included steam tray lets you enjoy healthy steaming of meats and vegetables while your rice cooks below. And it's not just for rice. Use it for oatmeal, chili, jambalaya, soups, and more. The delay timer caters to your busy lifestyle. Simply set it in the morning and return a perfectly cooked rice when you're ready to serve. Take the guesswork out of meal prep with the AROMA Digital Rice Cooker and Food Steamer, Model ARC 914 SBD. This sleek and compact 2-quart multi-cooker is the perfect kitchen companion for individuals, couples, or small families. With the touch of a button, you can prepare fluffy rice, steamed veggies, hearty soups, one-pot meals, and even sweet treats, all without lifting a finger once cooking begins. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or just need a quick side dish, this 8-cup cooked digital rice cooker makes cooking faster, healthier, and more convenient. Glowing star key features. White heavy checkmark versatile 4-in-1 multi-cooker, cook more than just rice. The AROMA ARC 914 SBD also functions as a steamer, slow cooker, and food warmer, giving you multiple cooking methods in one compact appliance. White heavy checkmark 4-cup uncooked/8-cup cook capacity, ideal for small households. This rice cooker perfectly prepares 2 to 8 cups of any variety of rice: white, brown, jasmine, basmati, or wild. White heavy checkmark digital one-touch controls user-friendly digital panel lets you easily switch between white rice, brown rice, steam, and keep warm functions. No more guesswork, just perfect results every time. White heavy checkmark automatic keep warm, no need to watch the clock. The cooker automatically switches to keep warm once the cooking cycle completes, ensuring hot, ready-to-eat meals when you're ready to serve. White heavy checkmark healthy steaming includes a removable steam tray that lets you steam vegetables, dumplings, seafood, or poultry while cooking rice below, saving you time and dishes. White heavy checkmark 15-hour delay timer, plan meals around your schedule with a built-in programmable delay timer. Prep ingredients in advance and return to a hot, freshly cooked meal. White heavy checkmark compact and stylish, the stainless steel exterior adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the compact size makes it easy to store when not in use. White heavy checkmark, easy to clean, features a non-stick inner cooking pot, dishwasher-safe accessories, and a removable steam tray for quick and easy cleanup. Cooked rice, what you can cook: white rice, brown rice, or sushi rice, quinoa, barley or oat steamed vegetables, fish or poultry, chili, soup, or stew one-pot meals like jambalaya or risotto, even cakes and desserts. Hammer and wrench, how to use. Measure and add rice. Use the included measuring cup to add 1 to 4 cups of uncooked rice into the non-stick inner pot. Rinse if desired. Add water. Pour water into the pot according to the rice type and desired consistency. See included guide for measurements. Choose cooking mode. Close the lid, plug in a unit, and press white rice or brown rice depending on what you're cooking. Use steam function. Optional.
Introducing.
Place food in the included steam tray and position it over the rice. Press the steam button and set the timer. Automatic keep warm. When cooking is complete, the unit automatically switches to keep warm mode so your food stays hot and ready. Enjoy and clean up. Serve your meal with the included spatula and clean up easily. The inner pot and accessories are all dishwasher safe. Trusted by millions of home cooks worldwide, AROMA offers smart kitchen appliances designed to make everyday cooking simple, fast, and worry-free. The ARC 914 SBD brings together innovation, versatility, and elegance in one user-friendly appliance. Whether you're a beginner or a busy pro, this rice cooker makes delicious meals easier than ever. Bring convenience, flavor, and versatility into your kitchen with the AROMA Digital Rice Cooker and Food Steamer ARC 914 SBD. Make every meal count, one perfect pot at a time. Buy now and upgrade your mealtime routine with smarter cooking. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.